How to use Telegram QuizBot tutorial. So if you want to find out Telegram QuizBot, you can simply open up the Telegram app. To use QuizBot, you have to actually directly talk to the QuizBot if you want to, but you can add the bot to your channel. So you can search for QuizBot, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Over here in the menu, you can simply go ahead and type in slash and then type in start, right? So type in slash start, and then you'll be able to see, you can see unfinished quiz. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have completed a quiz over here, and once you've only completed a quiz, then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically set up with a new quiz. Right here you can just tap on stop the active quiz right here, and you can see there is no quiz to stop, and once done you'll be able to finish up with the quiz on Telegram. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use Telegram QuizBot. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.